I don't... I don't know what to bring. Literally, I have so many clothes. I don't know. Packing is so damn stressful. Hi everyone, I am in my goddamn pajamas right now because I'm just chilling at home. So you probably have seen me looking like this last week because I'm filming 2 videos a day. So proud of myself. Anyway, I'm bending like that because I'm actually gonna pack now and I want to bring you guys to pack along with me. I don't really know why anyone will watch a pack along with me video, but I see people doing it on YouTube, so why not hop on the trend. I'm gonna stop squatting like an idiot right now and I'll start packing. So I'm actually going on a cruise again.
Wow.
And you know, I love going on a cruise. Actually, my parents like going on cruises. That's why they bring me to go on cruises with them. And I'm going to Thailand, Vietnam, and Singapore. And it's really, really hot. I just bought this today from Zara. This is the cutest thing ever. Like, this is so good for vacation, I kid you not. Okay, I'm also gonna bring another dress because dress is so handy. Like, literally you just put it on and the outfit is done. So I also bought this dress from Zara today. The sleeves are so cute. That's 2 outfits. I need like 9. I'm definitely gonna bring this bodysuit because it's so good for layering. I don't feel like I should talk to you without showing my face because that's kind of rude. I'm gonna bring this just as like a safe thing. I need to bring some shorts, white shorts definitely because it's so damn hot there. And then I'll probably bring those shorts too. These are really flattering. Like, I really, really like them. And I'll probably bring these black shorts, which I bought today as well. Super flattering, nice, and breezy. Okay, let's look at the tops. I need to bring a white t-shirt. Definitely, I feel like a white t-shirt is so versatile. Like, you can't go wrong with that. Oh, I love this top. This is a really cute, like, puffy sleeve top that you've probably seen in the Outfits of the Week video. But before I bring it, I need to think of what outfit I could style it with. I can wear it with these shorts, I think. But I don't like how there's a button here, if you can tell. And there's also big buttons here. I think it's too many buttons, so I might not bring this because there isn't a lot of outfits that I can style it with. I don't know what to bring. Literally, I have so many clothes, but I'm stuck, you know? Okay. Gym clothes. I need to bring gym clothes, definitely. Bring like 2 pairs of gym leggings. These red ones are one of my favorite lately. I need to bring some good sports bra for running, cardio. I don't know, packing's so damn stressful. Dress. Yes, I'll bring this Brandy Novo dress. I love dresses, if you can't tell. Like, literally, dresses are so flattering and it just takes no time to put it on. That's what I need to wear, you know? Oh, I also need to bring a fancy dress for the captain's dinner, you know? There's such thing like that on the cruise. And I remember bringing a fancy dress back. Like a formal dress, not a costume dress. Because if you're from the UK, you probably think that I'm looking for a French fries outfit, which isn't the case. It's a chips outfit, not French fries. It's very, oh my gosh. Oh, this one. I'm gonna wear this one. This is like a nice ruche, nice A-line dress. I think it will look good. It's like a wool material though. It's gonna be really hot. I don't know. I think I'll bring this one as a fancy. I just need more t-shirts and my underwear and my PJ. And then I think I'm finished packing plus toiletries, but you don't want to know what toothbrush I use really. If you are packing, you need to plan your outfits, okay? You don't just put on your favorite items and just bring it because it might not go well together. You know, even though I really like this shirt, I love, you know, this button puffy sleeve shirt, but it doesn't go with any of my shorts. So I'm not gonna bring it, even though I love it. I don't know. I don't even know if I'm gonna post this video. I rambled too much. how do you even film pack with me videos? Like, literally, you're not gonna teach people how to pack, are you? Just give me 1 sec.
Many months later.
I swear, packing in front of a camera is so damn stressful. But anyway, I'm gonna count how many outfits I can create with all the stuff I put on the bed. Let's do it with me. So I'm gonna bring this one, so that's 1. Okay, I have these shorts with this, so 2. Dress, 3. Another dress, 4. And then these shorts can do with like a white t-shirt, 5. These shorts can do with this, 6. And then I can bring this one with the white shorts, 7. So I have 7 outfits so far. I need 2 more, but I can wear the same outfit twice a day, right? But I don't like doing that. I don't like wearing the same outfit. Need to find a bit more. Should I bring some long? I fucking love these pants. Like, oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna go on the plane wearing these. You know what? I'll wear this on the plane with my favorite top. I really like this top. Like, oh my gosh. To be honest, I can actually wear this top with not this one. Too many buttons. This is like the dream combo. These pants with this top look so good. I kind of want to bring this midi skirt, but I don't think I have a chance wearing it because it's so damn hot. So no, I'm not gonna bring it. I don't even know why I said that. I knew I'm not gonna bring it. Packing so damn annoying and hard. I need to bring pajamas. I might just bring a pair, but I can wear the same pajama for 9 days, right? These are my pajamas. I don't. I think I got my outfit sorted finally. Should be fine. Yeah. Okay. Let's count again. I'm sorry. I've been counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This. Yeah, just change the t-shirt with another short. You know, looks like the outfit. Okay, that's it done. I'm just so tired. I need a break, and then I'll catch up with you guys later. Mini intermission. You know, you need food to pack. Shook. I've been packing so long that the sun literally is gone and the lighting is so shit right now. But stay hydrated, kids. I'm gonna show you the progress. I got changed as well because I decided to bring my black t-shirt that I was wearing to my trip as well. But I'll show you my progress so far. So this is the beautifully laid out rolled roll. Always roll your clothes, you know, save so much space. Yeah, I covered that because that's where my underwears are, and I want to keep it private because I'm a conservative gal. I'm pretty much done. I just need to put in my toiletries and I'm good. You know, I have such a big luggage, but I'm a light packer. I don't like to bring too many stuff because it all gets heavy and clumsy, but that's it. I think that's how my luggage looks like. Beaut. Ooh, that's the cruise tag, by the way. Like, I'm going on the Royal Caribbean cruise, and yeah.
Met